Imagine two observers drifting past one another in the vast quiet of interstellar space. One moves calmly at rest, the other races by at 60% the speed of light. They witness the same two events, yet they disagree on when they happened, where they happened, and whether they were even simultaneous at all. This is not science fiction. This is the astonishing reality of Lorentz transformations, the mathematical key that unlocks how space-time reshapes itself depending on the observer. Today, we explore how these transformations work, how they alter our measurements, and how we use them to convert two events from one frame to another, moving at 0.6 c. Before we get too deep into this topic, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. This helps to bring more valuable content to the platform for your knowledge and understanding. Remember, knowledge is power. Now back to the episode. In Newton's universe, time flows the same for everyone. Distances are absolute. Simultaneity is universal. But this vision collapses when objects move near the speed of light. Particle accelerators, cosmic rays striking Earth's atmosphere, even the precise clocks inside GPS satellites, all reveal that space and time stretch, twist, and transform depending on motion. Einstein realized that the speed of light is the same for all observers, and that single postulate changes everything. In 1905, Einstein published On the Electrodynamics of Moving Bodies, a paper that shattered the foundation of classical physics. He showed that the equations of physics, and particularly Maxwell's equations, stay the same only if spacetime coordinates transform according to the mathematical rules discovered earlier by Hendrik Lorentz. These equations became known as Lorentz transformations. They allow us to translate event coordinates from one frame to another, the same way one translator converts languages. Except these languages are frames moving near the speed of light. The Lorentz transformation begins with a single term. Gamma equals 1 over the square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared. For a velocity of 0.6 c, gamma equals 1 over the square root of 1 minus 0.3, 6 equals 1.25. This simple number means everything that follows is scaled, stretched, or shifted in time and space. Time dilates. Lengths contract. Simultaneity dissolves. The Lorentz time transformation is t prime equals gamma of tm minus vx over c squared. This means clocks moving relative to you tick slower. Two events that occur at the same time for you may not be simultaneous for someone else. Time depends on position when frames move at relativistic speeds. For v equals 0.6 c, t prime equals 1.25 open parenthesis tm minus 0.6 x over c close parenthesis. This is the heart of the relativity of simultaneity. Space transforms as x prime equals gamma of x minus vt. This describes length contraction. A meter stick moving at 0.6 c shrinks to L equals L0 over gamma equals 1 over 1.25 equals 0.8 L0. Distances compress along the direction of motion. Now let's apply Lorentz transformations to two events. Let the events be: Event 1, T1m x1. Event 2, T2m x2. The transformed coordinates, T1 prime equals 1.25, T1m minus 0.6 x1 over c, x1 prime equals 1.25, x1m minus 0.6 ct1, T2 prime equals 1.25, T2m minus 0.6 x2 over c, x2 prime equals 1.25, x2m minus 0.6 ct2. This reveals three fascinating phenomena. 1. Time dilation. 2. Length contraction. 3. Relativity of simultaneity. Why do Lorentz transformations matter today? GPS satellites. Accounting for Lorentz transformations prevents navigation errors of 10 kilometers per day. Particle accelerators. Electrons and protons survive longer when moving near light speed because of time dilation. Astrophysics. Jets from quasars and pulsars require Lorentz factors to explain observed radiation. In every field that touches high-speed motion, Lorentz transformations are indispensable. The more we work with Lorentz transformations, the more we appreciate that. Time is not universal. Space is not fixed. Simultaneity depends on the observer. Spacetime is not a stage. We are embedded within it. Changing our velocity changes our experience of reality itself. Lorentz transformations are more than equations. They are a new way of seeing the universe, a reminder that reality changes with motion, and that the cosmos behaves differently than human intuition might expect. If you enjoyed exploring the fabric of space-time with me today, like this video, subscribe for weekly episodes, turn on notifications, comment your next physics topic request, and remember, every transformation reveals a deeper truth about the universe. I'll see you in the next exploration.